with your feet flat on the floor and your spine long. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Place your feet wide on the floor. Bend forward at your hips and bring your arms out to the side like an airplane. Good, breathe in here and reach through your fingertips. Breathe out, fold all the way forward and touch your hands between your feet. Good, breathe in, reach your airplane wings back out, really, really reach. Breathe out, touch the floor again, fold forward. 3 more, breathe in, reach the wings out. Breathe out, touch the floor. Again, breathe in, reach, really use your back muscles here. Breathe out, touch the floor. Last time, big breath in, airplane wings reach. Breathe out, touch the floor. Come back to seated with a tall spine for Camel Pose. Reach with your hands to the back of your chair. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor. Inhale and open up your chest, open up your heart and look up. And breathe out. Good, feel that nice opening in the front of your chest. Keep breathing nice and slow. Deep breath in and breathe out. 1 more, open up your heart, still body. And breathe out. Good, bring your head back up. The next pose is Cactus Twist. Feet flat on the floor, spine long. Bring your arms out to the side like goalposts. Take your left hand and place it on your right shoulder. Twist to the right. Use your belly muscles for a big, big twist. Keep your feet flat, breathe in, keep your spine long. Breathe out, use your belly to twist a little more. Good, again, breathe in nice and deep. Breathe out. Come back to center. Switch hands. Right hand to the left shoulder, twist to the left. Feet stay flat, spine stays long. Breathe in and out. 1 more deep breath in. Breathe out, come back to center. Place your hands on your thighs, feet flat, sit up tall. Next are clock eye exercises. We're going to be moving our eyes around the clock to the numbers 12, 3, 6, and 9. Only your eyes will move, but your head will stay perfectly still. So sit up tall, look up to number 12, keep your head still. Look to 3, down to 6, over to 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. Other way, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, all the way up. I'm going to call them in random order. 6, 9, 3, 9, 12, 6. Good. Gently close your eyes. Give your eyes just a little rest. Breathe here. Good. Open your eyes. Next is lion's breath. Sit up tall. You'll breathe in here, and as you breathe out, you'll stick your tongue way out and let the breath come out from the back of your throat. We'll do 5. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Look up to number 12. Stick your tongue out and breathe out. Breathe in. Stick your tongue way out. Look up. Breathe out. Good. Again, breathe in. Tongue goes way out. Breathe out. Good. 2 more. Breathe out. Very good. 1 more. Breathe in. Big, big breath. And breathe out. Repeat after me. I am proud of myself.